Okay, that's one post from that section of fence. No. Oh, you're going to take that one and put it down over there? Okay. Yeah, our other post over here, Larry. And then we'll get the other ones out later after everything's decided. Because if that's where it goes, we're moving the whole thing over with new posts and everything. If this is where it goes, it'll stay. Okay, we remove that post. Let's see, how much wire? Where did we go with the wire? Let's see. Oh, our wire stops right here, other than the other new stuff down there. Now I see what Alan was talking about. Okay, this is all the old fencing from that post, this post, looks like to about here is old fencing. Nope. This is old fencing to here. Oh, maybe that's what he was upset about, is I didn't get it straight and it didn't go between the stump and that tree. Is that what he was upset about? Because I didn't get it straight?